Welcome to GetLicensed.com, your resource for California contractor license study guides. Our online practice exams and written study guide books can ease your homework headaches. We provide you with condensed study materials to pass the C-27 landscaping license and exam, saving you countless hours of studying. What is a C-27 contractor license? A C-27 license is issued to a contractor who constructs, maintains, repairs, installs, or subcontracts the development of landscape systems and facilities for public and private gardens and other areas which are designed to aesthetically, architecturally, horticulturally, or functionally improve the grounds within or surrounding a structure or a tract or plot of land. Now, there are some basic requirements. You have to be over the age of 18, have a valid driver's license and social security card, and not currently be on probation or parole. There are also some experience requirements, having 4 years of full-time level experience and a qualified person to sign off and document your experience. Let's take a look at what to expect during the test. It is closed books, so no reference materials, no books can be brought into the testing facility. The exam is made up with multiple choice questions. There are some mathematical computations and a calculator is provided. The testing's done on site and the results are immediate. Now, the exam is broken down into 6 major sections. Planning and estimating is 26%. Construction and preparation, 14%. Hardscape installation, 16%. Drainage, irrigation, lighting, and plant installation, 24%. Maintenance and repair, 10%. And safety is 10% of the exam questions. Let's take a look at some sample questions you might encounter on the exam. If the maximum flow for a 3/4 inch valve is 10 GPM on a level area, what is the maximum flow if there is a 25-foot elevation drop in the same system? B, 14 GPM. If a plant requires good drainage, what type of backfill material should be used? If you guessed B, loam, that's correct. What is the maximum distance between joints in a concrete patio? 10 feet. Are you still nervous? Did you know the California Contractors State License Board provides you with the resources to study for the exam? Now, most licenses have anywhere from 5 to 10 encyclopedia-sized books to study from. What we've done is we've taken all of those books and condensed them into paragraphs. And just as important as condensing those, we categorize them so in the end, we provide you with a Cliff Notes study guide. In our study guides, you will be prepared to take your California Contractor License exam by being fully prepared with just the right amount of information. Let's take a look at what's included. You'll receive a printed and bound study guide book that's written by real tradesmen and California construction law attorneys. You'll also get online access to practice exams with traditional formatting of A, B, C, D questions and flashcards. And you get to take that practice exam as many times as you need. You also have the option to add on lectures that correlate with the content in the study guide, giving you the classroom-like experience. And those are presented by California construction law attorneys and tradesmen. And those lectures are available online streaming, video, or audio disc. We believe that the best study preparation products can only come from the best instructors. Our knowledge and passionate commitment are your assurance that we make it simple to pass your California Contractors exam. By combining old world concepts and practices with the most current technology, we have developed simple, effective teaching curriculum with proven results. Preparing for an exam can be stressful. GetLicensed.com can help with an online prep course and books that will help you soar. We have helped countless contractors get ready for their exam. Let GetLicensed.com help you pass with relative ease.